Want to translate your videos into different languages using AI like this?
Feel motivated at all. Si vamos a levantarnos por la mañana o a tener un periodo de tiempo durante el día en el que nos sintamos capaces de perseguir objetivos, तो हमें एक healthy baseline level की ज़रूरत होगी.
If you also want to create your videos in different languages, then follow these steps. First, open the ElevenLabs website. The link is in the bio. After that, you will see the dub option. Click on it. The dubbing section is now open. ElevenLabs has launched the new Dub V2 model, but in this video, we won't be using it. Instead, we'll use the older Dub V1 model. To access the V1 model, click on Advanced. There, you'll see the V1 model. Open it. Now the V1 model will ask for some basic details. Fill them in here. First, add your video source. For example, you can paste your YouTube video link. After this, select the language your video is currently in. Then, choose the language you want to dub your video into. Now, select the number of speakers in your video. If your video has only one speaker, simply select one. Next, you'll be asked how much of the video you want to dub. Since we want to dub the entire video, enter the start time as 00 and the end time as the full length of your video. After that, you'll see how many credits will be used for the dubbing process. Once everything is set up, click on Create Dub and your video will start dubbing. Once the dubbing is complete, your video will appear here. As you can see, this is a video that I dubbed earlier. You can play it directly from here. It will be available in multiple languages, so you can play the Hindi version, the English version, or any other language you selected. If you want to save it, simply click the download button to download your dubbed video.
I've added the ElevenLabs link down below in the description. Go check it out. On the free plan, you'll get 10,000 characters to test it out. And if you want to unlock all the premium features, grab their creator plan. It's currently 50% off for the first year. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.